Well, I was warned by a lot of people about Craigslist, but some people say that they get jobs off of Craigslist.
including Aretha Clark. She was at home on disability but was looking for a part-time job with flexible hours. She was thrilled to find work as a shipping coordinator, receiving packages and shipping them overseas.
I thought it was so great because I'll be at home and, it wouldn't be so much of a struggle.
Plus, the job touted a base salary of $1,500 every month, plus the chance to earn a bonus.
These people who are being recruited believe that they're going to be compensated either per box that they ship out or that they're going to be compensated per month or per every couple weeks.
Aretha was given a diagram with specific instructions on what to do, including how to receive packages, take pictures of the items, and then send them overseas.
And even some directions on what to say to the clerks.
After working for 2 weeks, Aretha received a letter from her employer saying her packages were not being received. Aretha had all of her paperwork, so she filed a report with her local post office. She quickly learned she was caught up in a scam when a postal inspector showed up at her door.
A badge hit me in my face, bam. And I was like, oh my God, what's going on? I just like, wow, I'm going to jail.
When we interview them, a lot of them say, I thought something didn't quite feel right.
I still feel embarrassed about how, I let that happen to me. I blame myself.
If you are looking for a job online, be prepared to do some homework and ask yourself one important question.
What legitimate company is going to send items to you in somebody else's name and ask you to reship them out of the country? Why wouldn't they just do that on their own?